Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students of class 5. Here is your maths teacher, Amir Haider. Dear students, as we have started chapter number 3 and we are in our exercise 3b, and we have solved many questions from exercise 3b, and today another question is in front of us. So let's consider what is the question, what is the concept of the question, how we will solve it. So question number 7 is in front of you. Complete the following. And number A is 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4. Solution is also in front of you. Okay, I have written here 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4. Again 1 multiplied by 4. It means all the numerators in multiplication will multiply together, and all the denominators in multiplication will multiply together. ठीक है, तो I have multiplied 1 by 4 and divide by 2, so 1 4s are 4, it will be the 4 and divide by 2, then table of 2 on 4, it will be on 2 times, and here denominator will be 1, so the overall answer of this question will be 2. Okay, by same way, and there is another question, name as D is 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So in the same way, in the same manner, you have to multiply 5 by 1, then divide by 2. So 5 ones are 5, divide by 2, it will be 5 upon 2. So overall answer of this question will be 5 upon 2, because there is no any table going of the denominator on numerator, so the answer will be remain it as 5 upon 2. So let's move on another question, which is C, 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So I already told you, as you have to multiply numerator together and denominators together. So I have written here 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 multiplied by 1 divide by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 1 ones are is 1 on the right hand side last step, and 2 twos are 4 on the right hand side last step. So the overall answer of this question is 1 upon 4. Okay, so there is another question, question number 12. This is question number 7. In between question number 7 and 12 we will solve later on the exercise we have completed when. So here we are start from the question number 12. So question number 12 is find the products. It means you have to solve the multiplication. Multiplication is also in the same manner as you have solved in this question C. Number C you have solved as you have to solve in the same way by question number 12. So number A is 1 upon 9 multiplied by 2 upon 3. 1 upon 9 multiplied by 2 upon 3. In the same manner, I told you you have to multiply numerator together and denominators together. So the overall second step says that 1 multiplied by 2 and 9 multiplied by 3. It will be 1 2s are 2 and 9 3s are 27. And number D is in front of you, 3 multiplied by 5, 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 12. So solution, then you have write the same question as it, and 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 12. Then look at the question, numerator of the first part and the denominator of the second part, these are all the interchangeable. It means you can apply table of 3 on 12. So table of 3 on 3 it will be one time, then table of 3 on 12 is 4 time. So here the numerator is 1 and the denominator on the second part will be 4. So the overall step second tells you k 1 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 4. Let's start the same way, k1 multiplied by 5 and 4 multiplied by 4. So it will be 1 5s are 5 and 4 4s are 16. The answer of this question, this part of the question is 5 upon 16. Okay, then another question in the same manner is in front of you, k1 upon 11 multiplied by 3 upon 4, as you have to multiply 1 by 3 and 4 by 11. So the answer will be 3 upon 44. Okay. And the homework for you from these questions, from question number C, I have question number 7, I have solved 1D and E. So the question number 7, B and C you have to solve, and from question number 12 I have solved 1D and E. Then you have to solve from question number 12 B, C and F. So we are going to wind up our lecture today's here. We will meet, we will discuss some another questions in our next time. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.